If you are not a new viewer of my videos, you already know that my job here is to show you how to make money online as a course creator on Udemy. So in this video, I want to show you how you can be using your smartphone to generate $300 or more monthly with Telegram. Now, as a course creator on Udemy, you need to work smart to come up with a course outline for your course titles. And to achieve that, you always turn to chatgpt. Do you know that you can create course outline and even course script on Telegram? Yes, that is what I'm about to show you. If you are having problem with chatgpt, you can use this Telegram bot as your alternative. To get started, all you need to do is to come to the search bar and type ask your Telegram. You can see it, ask your Telegram. When you type ask your Telegram, you'll be introduced to the Telegram bot. You just click any of them. Let's click this one. Now, I have used it before for course outline. You can see the one I have done here. To get started, all you need to do is to type in your prompt. So let's assume I want to create a course outline for a particular course. This is the prompt that I wrote to this Telegram bot. I want to create a course outline for this course title, in video tutorial, AI video creation for content creators. Could you help me develop a course outline for my course? My audience is, you can see the prompt. So I want to send this to the Telegram bot instead of ChatGPT and look at the results that we are going to get using this Telegram bot. Okay, you can see it is typing. Let's wait for it. You can see it now. It has developed a course outline using my prompt. Joseph Ocon, I can definitely help you develop a course outline for your, this is my course. Here is the suggested outline. Course title, you can see the course outline, introduction to AI video creation, overview of AI technology in video creation. You can see script generation, editing techniques, text to video conversion, and others. You can see that with Telegram bot, you can create course outline and even course script. If you have a free time, you can check the result that you will get on ChatGPT if they are the same. This is the prompt that I wrote to the Telegram bot, and here is the result. You can also use the same prompt on ChatGPT and see what is going to be the outcome. Now, I want this Telegram bot to create a course script for the course outline lesson 1. This is what I would do. This is just a video guide, so I will just write little things. Create a course script on lesson 1. Okay, let's wait for it. Send. It is typing. And here we have it. It gave us a course script using slide presentation. You can see this is slide 1, welcome and course overview. Welcome student to the course. Briefly introduce yourself and your expertise in the subject. Provide an overview of what students can expect to learn in the course. And now you may feel, okay, this does not give you a course script like ChatGPT would do. No, it is because of the prompts that I wrote. If I was to write the real prompt that I normally write to ChatGPT, it will give me a good course script. To me, this is just a presentation script, not really a course script. So these are just like the presentation slide and the summary of everything. If you want the particular script, you just have to write the normal script prompt, which I have showed you in some of my previous videos. So it is very easy. I just decided to use this one. And note this, the prompt you write to ChatGPT determines the result you will get. If you write general prompt, you will get general result. If I was to specifically write a good prompt to this Telegram bot, it will give me the outcome that I am expecting. But because of this video, I just wrote something like this. If you go back, you can try it yourself to see that what I'm saying is true. Use the course script prompt and you will see the outcome. So there you have it for this video. I've been able to show you how you can come up with a course outline and even a course script for your video using Telegram bot. If you are having issues with ChatGPT or you would like to try this Telegram bot, it is very easy. I'm sure it uses the same artificial intelligence tool as ChatGPT 3.5. Alright, till we meet again in my next video, stay safe.